Hi, welcome to the galley. Now, I just love during the holiday season to give a homemade food items to people. And last year it was homemade vanilla. This year I went with a spiced cranberry oatmeal muffin. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see the cranberries on the top. And it is a really easy one to put together. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. It's also super easy for the person on the other end to have these in the oven. They can have these in the oven 5 minutes and then 20 minutes in the oven, and they'll have homemade, beautiful, fresh muffins. Now, I did do a cranberry maple butter with this, but that's a separate video. So today we're just talking about making the muffin mix. So any kind of really jar will work. I actually bought these because I thought they were really cute, and I did that one. It's a little bit tight, so I'm gonna go up a size here. Now, of course, you can use a 10, which you don't get to see all the layers, but that's okay. People can then reuse these tins or cookies or whatever, and you can never, ever go wrong with a good old mason jar. Now I have my little assembly line here going to get all these done, and this is just how simple it is. 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. I've got 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and use your Saigon cinnamon here. Not if you, I got it stuck. A 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. And now you have a choice here. There's an option. The recipe calls for 1 cup buttermilk. But I don't think everybody always has buttermilk. I know we always have buttermilk because we love it, but everybody doesn't always have buttermilk. So you can just put in the recipe 1 cup buttermilk, or you can do some dried buttermilk powder and then put in the recipe 1 cup of water. So if you go the dry buttermilk route, 4 tablespoons, and then in the recipe instead of 1 cup buttermilk, you'll just say 1 cup water. And I think that might make it easier for somebody. We drink a lot of buttermilk around here. We really like it. And then I just like to give it a little pat. And then we have 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. This is my beautiful Florida Crystals brown sugar, really nice. And then I just want to kind of tap him down in there. And then we're going to go 1 cup of oats, and this is old-fashioned, not quick, on top. And then 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Now you can mix this up if you wanted. You could even add some blueberries in here, do dried blueberries. You can kind of mix it up, and you can see how that really filled that jar up. But isn't that pretty? And then you're going to put your sticker on there, and I have written the ingredients for what they need and how to make them. And all they need to make these is 1 egg, a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 stick melted butter, and in this case, 1 cup water, 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, the assembly line got away from me. A 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. It's important, don't forget the salt. All of it is written in the recipe on the website, so if I forgot something here, you'll catch it up over there. So I just think that it's a really cool, beautiful gift. I just found these stickers and I hand wrote what it is. I've got the instructions tied on there. In we go. I like to provide people with the muffin tin liners. I think that's a nice thing to add. And if you want to add like the cranberry butter, you can. It's not necessary. I think this is a beautiful gift on its own. In fact, if you were handing these out, you don't even have to put them in a basket or anything. You could just hand people a jar just like this. So I'm going to keep my assembly line going and working on more of these to give out. I hope this was helpful for you and giving away some really nice edible gifts for the holidays. Thanks, y'all. I'll see you later. Bye.